Hi friends, welcome back. We always love a different taste of food each time, don't we? So today's recipe is one such special dish. It's simple and you all know it, but it's a function-style spinach mixed dal curry. In Hindi, Dal Palak, in Telugu Paalakura Pappu, and in Malayalam, Palak Parippu. Let's start. Since it's Dal Palak, the first step is to clean 1 cup of tur dal and soak it for at least 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's take a quick look at the ingredients. We need 2 cups of chopped spinach, palak, green chilies, fresh garlic, onions, dry red chilies, mustard seeds, jeera, that is cumin seeds, turmeric powder, curry leaves, and of course oil. Next, in a cooker, add the soaked dal, pour 1.5 cups of water, add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon oil and a little salt. Let it cook until soft. Once done, keep it aside. It looks simple and it is simple, but the secret is the ground mixture of 3 ingredients, chili, garlic and jeera, which makes this curry special. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates of my new videos. Chop the spinach and onions and keep them ready. Now from the ingredients, take jeera, green chilies and garlic and grind them coarsely. Like this. Keep it aside. Now heat a pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Keep the flame low throughout the cooking. Add mustard seeds, chopped onions, dry red chilies and curry leaves. Saute well for a minute. Then add the coarsely ground mixture of chili, garlic and jeera. Also add a little turmeric powder. We added some turmeric while boiling the dal. Now we are using the rest. Saute well until the raw smell goes away. At this stage, you can also add a 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. This is optional, and give it a nice stir. It adds a subtle depth of flavor. Add the 2 cups of chopped spinach, that is palak, and saute it well. Now add the cooked dal to it. Stir well and check for salt. Adjust according to your taste. Here I felt the curry was a bit thick, so I added a 1/4 glass of hot water to adjust the consistency. Now close the lid and simmer for 2 minutes, so that all the flavors, especially of the garlic and jeera, blend beautifully. After 2 minutes, open the lid, give it a stir and check again for salt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee and mix well. And now your Dal Palak Palakura Pappu Palak Parippu is ready to eat. That ghee gives an extra special taste to it. This is one of my favorite dishes, Dal Palak. Friends, comment below if you like Dal Palak. Do try this, you'll surely love it. Watch my other videos too and don't forget to leave your comments and give a thumbs up. And yes, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. That really supports me and encourages me to bring you more videos. Thank you friends for watching. Until then, happy cooking.